Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natara, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning for another video, welcome back. In today's video, you guys, it's going to be my laundry routine. So if you're interested in this type of video, just stick around to the end. As you can see right here, you guys, I am separating the clothes. I am putting the color clothes in a pile, light and white clothes in a pile, and also I'm going to bring my basket that's on the other side of the shelf that I have my towels in. It has dirty towels in that. So yeah, you guys, we're going to just separate the clothes and then we'll get into the laundry.
But you see me the right way. Oh, and I see you too. I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, I don't wanna push you farther away, no, I don't wanna play no games. I just wanna call, see if we're okay, babe. All I wanna ask you is, are you down for love? Are you up for us? I wanna be together, be together. Babe, I want your love. I'll be the one you trust. You're all that matters, all that matters. I got feelings about you. Oh yeah, butterfly.
Okay guys, as you can see here, I have a pile of towels, and then I have a big pile of color clothes, and then next to that is the whites and the lights. You guys, this is about 3 to 4 days worth of clothes. I usually wash a load of clothes every single day, but this time I didn't. Yeah, you guys, I am putting in a load of color clothes. I'm making sure that I place them around the drum and not just throw them in any kind of way, because that will make your washer get off balance. I'm also going to be using the Downy fabric softener, and then I'm going to put 2 of the game pods and some scented beads in there. Also, you guys, I'm going to turn it on, then I'm gonna put it on mixed and then normal wash, and I'm gonna press the play button, and we're gonna wait about 52 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, you guys, before I put the color clothes in the dryer, I have to clean out of the lint trap. So now I'm going to be putting the color clothes into the dryer. And also, you guys, for a side note, I am not going to be folding all of these clothes on camera because that will make the video entirely too long. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to put the color clothes in the dryer and also start another load of clothes, and then after that the dryer is going to stop, and then I'm going to fold up some of the clothes and then we'll be done. So yeah, you guys, I ask that you sit back, relax, and you know, watch me do laundry. Now I am putting in the white/light clothes, and I'm going to add some fabric softener, 2 game pods, because I use Tide and Game, 2 game pods and some scented beads, and also I'm going to put a little bit of bleach in it.
You are only bringing out the worst in me. Now I really don't know what the best in me is. 'Cause when you see light, I tend to.
Okay, now you guys, all I do is I turn the washer on, I put it on whites, normal, and then I just press the play button and I wait about 55 minutes, and then the dryer stops. So I'm taking the color clothes out of the dryer, placing it into the basket that's up under the basket that I have for my dirty towels. So yeah, you guys, it was already some clothes in there from yesterday, so that's why it looked like it's a whole lot of color clothes. No, I did not wash that big old pile of color clothes on that floor the first time. So yeah, you guys, now I am cleaning out of the lint trap again and getting ready for the white clothes to go into the dryer. Now I am putting the fabric softener, the 2 game pods, and the scented beads in and getting ready to put in the towels, that big mountain of towels that I have on the floor. I'm going to wash all of those towels at once. So yeah, you guys, you'll see me doing that as of right now. I'm placing them around the tub so that it will not make the washer off balance. Now all that I do is turn on the washer, and also I make sure that I put it on towels and press the play button. I wait about 35 to 40 minutes for them to wash, and now I'm over there going to fold up some of these clothes on camera and do the rest off camera. So yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, you guys, I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye guys.
Let me lose myself.